Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be trying to run Android X86 on an old Pentium 4 machine. Alright, so first I need to go to the website and download Android X86. I think I'm going to start with the newest version, and then go down versions until I find one that might actually work. And if I'm lucky, the newest version will work. Alright, so the download button. I'm just going to click here. Alright, so we're going to want the 32-bit version, and that right there looks like it's the newest version, so just going to click on it. Alright, and let's download it in my downloads folder, and save. Alright, so that'll download, and then I'll burn it to a DVD, and then we'll try it out. Alright, so this is it. It is a Dell Dimension 2350, and it is currently running Windows XP. But that is going to change. I don't want to get rid of the Windows XP installation that's on that hard drive, so I have this laptop hard drive and a SATA to ID adapter. And because the only optical drive that's in this computer is a CD drive, I have another adapter and a SATA DVD drive. Alright, so first I have to unplug the hard drive. Oh shit, that didn't sound good. Anyway, and then I have to unhook the CD drive. And now I can hook up the adapters. Alright, so this is the adapter for the CD drive. Well, DVD drive. Power. And then I'll hook up the adapter to the hard drive. Here we go. Alright, so first I'll hook up the DVD drive. I might just stick that in here somewhere. I just propped it up on a bottle of cream or something. And now I'll hook up the hard drive. Easy enough. Slides right in. Now, you're probably not supposed to keep them on an angle and stuff, but I'm gonna keep it like that because I don't really care. It should work just fine. Oh wow, I've created a beautiful mess. Okay, so this is the newest version of Android X86, and I'll turn on the computer and put it into the DVD drive. That should boot the installation. And here we go. Okay, so I'll go here and install Android X86 to hard disk and press enter. I probably should have said this computer has a gig of RAM, so if anything, RAM is not a problem or shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to modify these. Oh, installation failed. Okay, well I'm just going to try just doing this and just click OK. And FAT32. Yes. Alright, so it's formatting. The hard disk is active, so it should be doing its thing. Yes, I want to install we want to create a boot item for Windows. No. Yes. Okay, so it's going to write to the hard disk. That doesn't look good. Anyway, I'm gonna press OK. I guess we can try. I don't think it'll work. It is booting off the hard drive. Oh. It wants to boot Windows. So I'm gonna have to use Hiram's boot CD and format the hard drive. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. First I gotta format the hard drive and get rid of all the partitions so Android X86 can work with something plain and new. Alright, so from here I can just go to partition editor and then delete all the partitions. Just get rid of all of them. Then I'll make a new one. Make it all one size. And format it as FAT32. Apply. Yes. Alright, so now I can restart the installation and try it again. Trial number 2. Boot from the CD, well, technically DVD, but it doesn't know that. Installation. I swear I'm gonna be doing this all night, aren't I? Alright, this looks a bit more promising. I can just click here now. I'm gonna say do not reformat. Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm hoping this time it will work. It looks promising. It's almost done that. What? What? No! Don't go backwards. Oh, okay. Going to create an image. Alright. Hopefully it won't fail doing it this time. I don't think it will. I mean, we did format the hard drive before we did it. Hey, I don't think it failed. Oh. Never mind, it did. It might still boot anyway. Oh. It's looking promising. It might actually work. Hard drive light is still going. It's trying. Oh. I think it might actually work. Yeah, it's... Oh, wait! Oh no, it restarted. Yeah, no, that was a failed attempt. Right, so attempt number 2, I went back, oh whoops. I went back a couple versions, and this is Android X86 version 7.1. Let's try this again. Slurp. Spam the F1 key. Right, and boot from the DVD drive. So this is Android X86 version 7.1. So what I'm gonna try to do is to get it to boot from this using the built-in CD drive, because right now it's booting off the CD drive going through the adapter. Trial number 2. So the plan is to hook up the built-in CD drive again and boot using that. Okay, so I got it hooked up again. So let's try it out. Oh wow, it actually opened this time. First, let's get into the boot menu, grab my CD, stick it there, and boot from CD-ROM. Alright, so it was a success this time. Alright, so install. Alright, so we want to install it on that drive. Alright, so the keyboard isn't working. I think I gotta wait a minute before it'll start working. I remember something about that. Yep, I was right. So we're gonna format as FAT32 again. Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Alright. Oh, well that's just... Maybe it worked, and it's just crying because it didn't think it worked? Maybe. Never mind. No, it didn't. So this is the plan. What I'm going to try to do now, then, is download an even older version. Okay, so I'm going to go and download the Android X86 4.4 from back in 2015. Am I going a little too old? Maybe. Make sure it's 32-bit. Wait. Oh, here we go. This should be the X80, I mean the 32-bit version. Where did that even download? Okay. And let's burn that to a DVD. .4. And right. Okay, so this is attempt number what? 2 or 3 or 4 of something. And now we're trying version 4.4. I don't know what any of these versions are, so I'm just going to go down to install. Alright, so we want to install on that drive. And we'll format as FAT32. Yes. Yes, I do. Do you want to install EFI Grub 2? I don't know what it is, but I'll press yes. Okay. It's doing something. Yes, I do. So, hopefully that'll work. The installer is going to create a disk image. In megabytes. 512, you know what, that's default. It's kind of a small size, but sure. Hey! Maybe this one might actually work. So I kind of want to try that one more time, but without doing that weird thing where it showed up Grub 2. I had no idea what that was. It could always be a problem with these SATA to IDE converters, but I really don't think so, because I did have Windows 7 running off this drive with this computer, and it worked just fine. So, yeah, I just don't think it can handle it. I really don't. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and follow my Twitter. The link is in the description.